Good evening, everybody. This is Game and Change. Hope everyone's having a great night. I just overcame a serious issue. The issue is when you get the message, screen overlay detected. To change this permission setting, you first have to turn off the screen overlay from Settings, Apps. You click Open Settings and it brings you to the area to adjust some things, but no matter what you try to adjust, you can't make the message go away. You can't change the permission on the app. This is a real quick video. I did a lot of research on this for about 2 days. I was about to do a factory reset, but then I saw the one post that nobody gave credit to. It seems like they just bulldozed over him. Once you disable side key panel, you'll be able to change the settings, the permissions, shall I say, for any application. I need to fix the permissions for my calendar, which I wasn't able to do with side key panel enabled. It was giving me the screen overlay detected error message. Also, I was able to fix this app that I installed called Talon for Twitter. I was able to give it storage permission so that I can send animated GIFs and stop bothering the dev. Shout outs to the dev for trying to help me, and shout outs to Google and the dedication and using different search terms to get the results you need to fix your problem. Just to recap here, if you're getting this error message and you're using a Galaxy Note, if you have side key panel enabled, disabling it will allow you to change permissions on any app you choose. This is Game and Change. Hope everyone's having a great night. Peace.